Welcome to Technologies. Today we will see how to configure VLAN. So first of all, we will take one switch. To access this switch, we will connect this switch to laptop. Through console cable, we can connect this laptop console. Okay. Now we will create two logical network. So for that, I will use area. This is consider we will consider this one area, and this will consider another area. So we create two area over here. This area will be marketing. You can consider this is your two department. This is marketing department. This is account department. One physical network, we can create two logical network, and the communication between switch to this marketing team and the communication which account to this switch, they will communicate with each other, but marketing team cannot communicate with account team and account team cannot communicate with marketing team. The purpose of creating a VLAN is for the security and efficiency. So marketing team can send request to switch. It will not broadcast to account team. It will directly broadcast to only the we will define port we will configure in the marketing team. So we'll take two system over here. Here also we will take two system. This system is M1 marketing 1. This system we can call as M2. This account system will consider as A1. This one is A2. Now to configure VLAN, we will give this area called V in a number. Like default VLAN is VLAN 1. So by default, all configuration what we can configure over here, that will consider to be the in VLAN 1. So here we don't want to do that. So here we will, for marketing team, we will create we will give one name to VLAN, which is VLAN 25, and this will be the VLAN 26. Now we will set the IP address. So we will give IP address to this system 192.168.1.2. Class C IP address, which mask is /24. Here we will give this IP address .3. So we can give IP address to A1 192.168.1.50. and this will be the 192.168.1.51. I will not connect. We will build an infrastructure like that. Port number 1 to port number 13. Let's continue port number 14. This all 1 to 14 port number it should be in VLAN 25, and port number 15 to port number 24 should be in VLAN 26. So here I will connect again. I will connect 14. Then I will connect port number 15, again port number 24. Okay. So now our infrastructure is built. So you can always use, like you can configure this switch through console. So we can assume this laptop is connected to the console, and we will access this laptop to console. The terminal, click OK. Here you can get your switch environment. So first of all, enable show IP interface brief. You can see over here which port is connected or which is not connected to the switch. Now show VLAN. The moment you click show VLAN, you can see the port, all port which is configured in VLAN 1. See this. By default it is configured in VLAN 1. So what we will do, first we will create environment VLAN 25, which is marketing, and the port range will be from port number 1 to port number 14. Port number 14. This whole port should be coming to the VLAN 25. So let's start. Config. We config terminal, type interface range. So in the switch, click enable config. First type VLAN 25. In VLAN 25, first give name, like namespace marketing, enter. Now mention the range interface range, pass Ethernet / port number 1 to -1 port number 14. Enter. Now switch port access VLAN 25. Port number 1 to 14 is defined in VLAN 25. Now we can define port number VLAN 26 for account department. So same thing, we have to type VLAN 26. In that VLAN you have to type name, which is account, enter. Now mention the range interface range, okay, /0/15/24. Switch port access VLAN 26 and click right to save the command. Now The moment I run show VLAN, you can see over here VLAN 25 is marketing, and you can see the active port which is configured in VLAN 25, which is port number 1 to port number 14, and VLAN 26 account department, you can see active port from port number 15 to port number 24. So this is how you can configure VLAN. In one physical switch, you can create two logical networks. That is the purpose of VLAN. So now we will exchange a packet between this switch. Like marketing department can communicate with another marketing department PC. Yes, successfully it is communicating. Same we can check with account. Yes, it is also successfully exchanged the data. Now let's see account department can exchange data with marketing team. See, it's paid. So this is how you can apply the security and efficiency to the switch to configuring VLAN. And if you want to communicate these two different logical network in the same switch, then you have to install one router, and through inter VLAN routing you can communicate with two different logical networks, but that you can see in another video. So bye for now. You can keep at this is simple. This is how you can configure VLAN. I will copy paste all the command for your reference, so you will have your understanding. Like the command what we used over here. For your understanding, I will copy paste the command over here. So this is the command we will use while configuring VLAN. Thank you.